Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, we are going to continue with exercise 8.1 of trigonometry. Introduction to trigonometry we have already done and I have shared the link in the description. If you have not seen that video, you can check out that video first and then you can start with the exercise. So let's start. So here in this video, we are going to do 1 to 5 questions of this exercise, and the first question is, in triangle ABC, right angled at B. AB it is equal to 24 centimeter and BC it's equal to 7 centimeter. So we'll draw triangle first. See, I have already explained you in trigonometry we are going to deal with right angled triangle. So you have to be very careful while naming the triangles. So it's triangle ABC and they have clearly mentioned that it is right angled at B. So right angle you have to draw at B. So this is my triangle. Now as I have told you, see, they have given only two sides. AB they have given me 24 and BC they have given 7 centimeter. So like I have told you, most of the time they will give only two sides of the triangle and the third one we have to find. So we can use Pythagoras theorem to find the third side of the triangle. According to Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square it is equal to sum of the squares of base and perpendicular. B square plus P square. See, as of now we don't know which is our base and which is perpendicular, so directly we know one side is perpendicular and one side is base. Because this we don't have to do with respect to any angle. As of now we just have to find this hypotenuse, and hypotenuse it's the longest side of right angle triangle. So we'll just fill the values. Hypotenuse square it is equal to B square. So B we can assume 7 square plus 24 square. So this square we will shift to other side and it will be changed to square root. So H it is equal to square root 7 square, it is 7 into 7 is 49. 24 square it is equal to 576. So we can add now. So it is 625. On adding 49 and 576 you will get 625. So square root of 625 it is 25, because 25 into 25 it is, you can write like this. So at the end 25 square over square root. So this square it will get cancelled with square root and we will get 25. So third side or hypotenuse we have got, it is 25. Now let's come to the question. So this thing you should know, in each question they want you to find one side. So here we have already found now. So now we have all the three sides of the triangle. So in first part we have to find sine A and cos A. So I have given you one mnemonic, like I will write it down over here. Sum of her children, because I know the values of all the trigonometric ratios, but you have to keep on, you can just refer to this mnemonic and you should know what is the value of sine and cos. Some of our children are having trouble over algebra. Sum means sine, so I will write it down over here. Sine A it's equal to, O means opposite and H means hypotenuse. So opposite side is always perpendicular. So sine, which according to this it is P by H, the ratio of perpendicular over hypotenuse. Now the main thing is A. You have to find sine with respect to angle A. So this is angle A. So if you want you can just rotate, or directly from here also you can see perpendicular means opposite you have to see, opposite side of angle A. This is angle A, just opposite you have to see, opposite is BC. And hypotenuse, it will always remain same, so longest side which is 25, so and this is AC is the hypotenuse of the triangle. So BC we can put the values now. BC it is 7 and AC it is 25. So this was sine A. Let's find the values of cos A now. So till here sum of it is sine. Now see, because this is so ka to. So C is for cos. I have already written A. A is for adjacent and H for hypotenuse. So which means cos A it is equal to ratio of adjacent side. Adjacent means base. So base you can write. So in the first video I have clearly explained a perpendicular is opposite and adjacent is base. So you can, if you see that video, you will be more clear about that. So cos A it is B by H. So now with respect to A, so with respect, because we have to find the value of cos A, so with respect to A, which is the adjacent side? This is the adjacent side. Adjacent means near or next, which is just next to angle A. So this is the, see, you cannot take that side because that is hypotenuse, that's why. So this side, so this is base, so B it is AB with respect to angle A. Now H it is same AC, so AB you can put the value 24 and AC it is 25. So sin A it is 7 by 25 and cos A it is 24 by 25. Now let's do the second part, which is sin C and cos C. So same way we have to do, only the angles will get changed. Perpendicular and base it will get interchanged. Sin C, sin same way it is perpendicular over hypotenuse. So now angle C we have to see, this is angle C. So opposite, perpendicular is opposite, just opposite you have to look, opposite to angle C. AB is the side, so you can write AB. Hypotenuse it will remain same, so it is AC. This is hypotenuse of this triangle. So AB you can put the values, AB is 24 and AC is 25. So sin C it is equal to 24 over 25. Now cos C, so cos according to this it is adjacent side. Adjacent side is always base, so base upon hypotenuse. Base according to angle C, this is angle C. Adjacent side is this one, because you should not take hypotenuse, only these two sides you have to see, because these two only perpendicular and base they will get interchanged. Hypotenuse it will remain always same. So with respect to C, BC is the adjacent side, which means BC is base. So you can write over here H, hypotenuse it is AC. So BC 7 centimeter or 7, because ratio we are finding, so unit we don't have to write. This is trigonometric ratio, 7 upon 25. So if you see, if you compare it with part 1, you can see now the values are interchanged. So this was the question number first. We have to remember all these ratios and then we can easily do the question. Now let's do the second question. In question second, it's given in figure 8.13. So this figure I have already drawn. Find tan P minus cot R. So this is what we have to find. So first of all, we need all the three values of triangle. We have only two values. So third one we will find by using Pythagoras theorem. See, in each and every question only two sides will be given to us. Third one we have to find it by using this theorem. So same way, hypotenuse square it is equal to perpendicular square plus base square. So now they have given us perpendicular, we can say one side they have given us and hypotenuse they have given us. So in place of hypotenuse I can write 13 square, because you can see this is the longest side of the triangle and this is 13. So this is hypotenuse. Perpendicular, let's assume perpendicular, it's given to us 12 square plus base, it's not given to us. Now because we need to find the value of base, so we'll keep base on that side and these two values will write on same side. So 12 is, it's in positive form, so on changing the side it will be changed into minus 12 square is equals to base square. So this square we will remove from here and on changing the side it will be changed to square root. 13 square, 13 into 13 it is 169 minus 12 into 12 it is 144 equals to base. So let's do the subtraction. So it is root 25. Root 25 it is equal to 5, because 5 it is equal to 5 into 5 it's equal to 25. So we have got this side equal to 5. Now we have got all the sides of the triangle. Now let's come to the question. So this thing also you have to solve, you have to show in the question, everything you have to show, because this is a part of the question, that's why. Now tan P, we need two values, tan P and cot R. So same way I have explained you, I have given you one mnemonic, that is so some of her children are having trouble over algebra. See, so Kato, this is the mnemonic I have given you. Some of her children are having trouble over algebra. So we need the value of tan. So this T stands for tan, which is equal to opposite over adjacent. Opposite it's always equal to perpendicular and adjacent it is equal to base. So this thing I have explained in the first video of introduction to trigonometry. Now tan P, with respect to P we have to find the value of tan. So tan we know it's perpendicular over base. So this is P. See, you have to be very careful with the name of the angle. So tan P they want us to find. So this is P. Now P means perpendicular. So opposite of P you have to see. From here also you can get hint. Opposite you have to see. Opposite to angle P, the side is QR. So it's clearly visible. You can write QR. See, opposite. Now base. Base, from here also you can get hint, it's adjacent. So adjacent side of the angle, which is the side which is next to this angle. So this is PQ. We should not take PR because this is hypotenuse of the triangle. So we have to take adjacent side as PQ. Now we can put the values. QR it is 5 and PQ it is 12. So tan P it is equal to 5 by 12. Now we need the value of cot R. So I have already explained you cot theta or cot, because theta is angle. So cot theta it is equal to reciprocal of tan theta. Reciprocal means numerator and denominator will get interchanged. So tan we have perpendicular over base. So due to which cot theta is equal to base upon perpendicular, since it's a reciprocal of tan theta. So this thing you have to mention and you should know also. So cot R you have to find now. See, you don't have to look at the same values because we have to find cot R. So with respect to this angle we have to see which is our perpendicular and which is our base. Now base we have to see. Base is the adjacent angle. So with respect to angle R, adjacent side it is QR. So we can write QR. So base is adjacent side, not adjacent angle. So base of this angle is QR. Now P. P means opposite. So opposite side of this angle you have to see. This is PQ. See opposite, it's clearly visible. If this is your angle opposite to this angle, PQ is the given side. So QR is 5 and PQ it is 12. Now we have got the values of tan P and cot R. So here directly we can put the values. So tan P, because this thing we have to solve, tan P it is equals to 5 by 12 minus cot R it is also equal to 5 by 12. So this value it is equal to 0. See, the question is similar to the first question. Only thing you have to find the values of tan and cot, and if you know the values of all the trigonometric ratios, this exercise you will be like you can solve all the questions very easily. So this is also similar question as we have done the first one. Now let's do the second question, next question. In question number 3rd, it's given if sin A it is equal to 3 by 4, calculate cos A and tan A. So sin A is already given to us, we have to find cos A and tan A. So here we can draw a triangle, because we need triangle in all the questions. So let's take triangle ABC, because A they have given, so ABC we will take, and this triangle is right angled at B. So any triangle you can take, because any specific figure is not given. So from our side we are drawing one triangle. So I have assumed I have triangle ABC right angled at B. Now sin A is given to me. Sin A 3 by 4 and sin it is equal to perpendicular over hypotenuse. So which means, so with respect to ratio I can just compare, it's not the exact value. So we can see P upon H it's equal to 3 upon 4. So P it's some multiple of 3 we can say, and hypotenuse it's a multiple of 4. So whenever any ratio is given to you, what we will do, we will assume, let with respect to A, first of all this angle is also given to us. So with respect to this we have to assume, I'll just write the values. Sin A, so A perpendicular opposite you have to see, opposite is BC. So BC I can write, and hypotenuse it is same AC. So whenever ratio is given to us, what we'll do, we'll assume let P be 3x and let H be 4x, because opposite to P 3 is there and opposite to H 4 is there, that's why. So why we haven't assumed 3 and 4? The reason is that ratio is given to us. See, P by H, the ratio is given to us 3x upon 4x. So x is any common multiple of both these numbers, due to which this x and this x it will get cancelled, and 3 by 4 ratio we have got. So directly whenever ratio is given to us, don't assume that P is it's equal to 3 and H it is equal to 4. Directly we cannot assume, because ratio is given to us. So that's why we have to assume with some common variable, because common variable it will get cancelled, and at the end we will get this ratio. So once we do, you will understand this point more. At the end also I'll explain you again. Now we have to assume, so P with respect to its BC, so BC it is 3x and AC it is 4x. So let's find the value of AB now. Since it is a right angle triangle, so we will use Pythagoras theorem to find the value. Pythagoras theorem it is h square is equal to p square plus b square. So h it's given to us 4x square is equals to p. P is not given to us, p square will write as it is, and base it is 3x will do 3x whole square. Now p we have to find, so let shift 3x to other side. So 4x square, this 3x is a positive form, so on changing the side it will be changed into minus 3x whole square is equals to p square. 4 square, so this square also will remove from this side, and on changing the side it will be changed to square root. 4x square, it will be 16x square, because 4 into 4 is 16, x into x is 16x. 3 into 3 is 9, x into x is 9. So p. 16 minus 9, so which is 7. X square we can write over root also. So this square will get cancelled with this, because on both 7 and x square root is there. So our value will be 7x. Because root 7 will be there only from this x, due to this square root will get cancelled. So the value of this is root 7x. So here we can write root 7x. Okay, so we have found the value of AB also. Now we need the value of cos A. Cos, it is base upon hypotenuse. See, every time you should try to use that mnemonic, and you should know what is the value of cos. So it's based upon hypotenuse. So with respect to A, you have to see A is this. So base is adjacent side, which is this one. So AB, base is AB. Hypotenuse, same, AC. AB, you know the value. AB is root 7x and AC it is 4x. So this x and this x will get cancelled. So I am left with root 7 upon 4. So cos A, it is equal to root 7 upon 4. Now tan A we have to find. So tan A, it is perpendicular over base. Perpendicular is opposite, base is adjacent. So tan A, so with respect to A we have to see. With respect to A, opposite side is BC, so let's write it down. And adjacent side with respect to A is AB. So BC it is 3x, AB, AC AB it is root 7 upon root 7 into x. So this x and this x will get cancelled. So we are left with 3 upon root 7. So this is the value of tan A. Now you can see the common multiple, it will get cancelled, and in the ratio form we got the answer. So this is the reason whenever ratio is given to you, always you have to assume sides as like 3x, 7x, 4x, like this you have to assume. Now let's do the next question. In question number 4, it's given 15 cot A is equals to 8, and we have to find sin A and secant A. So same thing, first of all we have to draw one right angled triangle. So let's draw one triangle ABC which is right angled at B. Now this question is very much similar to the previous question. The only thing here they have written 15 cot A is equal to 8. See, this 15, it is getting multiplied with this cot. So what we'll do, these two terms are getting multiplied, so we'll change the side of 15. So 15, it is getting multiplied, on changing the side it will get divided. So now we got, see, this form is same to the previous question. So cot A, it is equal to 8 by 15. Now ratio is given to us. So with the help of this ratio we can find the third side of the triangle. So first of all we'll write the value of cot. So cot, it's a reciprocal of tan theta. So I'll write cot is equals to 1 by tan A, and tan we know it is perpendicular by base. So since cot, it's a reciprocal of tan, so it will be base upon perpendicular. See, just opposite. This step if you want you can write, if you don't want you can skip it also. So directly you can write cot A is equals to base upon perpendicular. So it's just reciprocal of tan theta. Reciprocal means when we interchange numerator and denominator. So now with respect to angle A we have to see. So base is the adjacent side. So adjacent side is this one, which is AB, and perpendicular is the opposite side. So opposite to A you have to see, opposite to A side BC is there. So we can write 8 by 15. So we will assume AB it is equal to 8x and BC it is equal to 15x. As I have told you in the previous question also, whenever ratio is given to us, we have to assume the sides like 15x, 8x. So x, some common number we have to write with the sides, because this is the ratio. Ratio is the simplest form. After doing some cancellation of a number we got this thing. That's why we have to write in this way. Directly we cannot assume like this side is equal to 8 and this side is equal to 15. Now we have got the two sides, and this is right angled triangle. So in right angle triangle, third side we can easily find by using Pythagoras theorem. So you can also do this sum along with me. You can pause the video and you can see whether you have got the same answer or not. So now let's do Pythagoras theorem. Hypotenuse square is equals to perpendicular square plus base square. Now hypotenuse we have to find. So hypotenuse it is equal to perpendicular 8x square plus 15x square. This square will remove from this side, and on changing the side square it will be changed to square root. So 8x whole square it is 64x square, because 8 into 8 is 64 and x into x is x square. 15 into 15 is 225 and x into x is x square. So once you add these you will get 289x square. So 289, it's a square root of 289 is equal to 17. So this you can do 17 square into x square. So with this square root, with both of these squares, square root will get cancelled. So we got the value of AC as 17x. Now we have all the values or values of all the sides of the triangle, and we can find the value of sine A and secant A. So sine A, now we already know sine is perpendicular over hypotenuse. So with respect to A we have to see. With respect to A, opposite. Perpendicular means opposite. So with respect to A you have to look at the opposite side, which is BC. Hypotenuse it is same, AC. So it is BC upon AC. BC it is 15x and AC it is 17x. So this x and this x will get cancelled. So we got the value as 15 by 17. Now secant A. Secant theta, it's a reciprocal of cos theta. So why I am writing this? Because if you remember the values of sine, cos and theta, you can easily remember the values of other three trigonometric ratios also. So secant theta, it's a reciprocal of cos theta. So reciprocal means you have to interchange denominator and numerator. So cos theta, it is base upon hypotenuse. So since it is a reciprocal, so it will be hypotenuse upon base. So with respect to angle A you have to see now. So hypotenuse it will always remain same, so it will be AC. Base you have to see. So this is angle A. With respect to angle A, so base is the adjacent side, so this is the adjacent side which is AB. So AC you can write the value 17x, AB it is 8x. So this x and this x will get cancelled. So 17 by 8 we get the value. Sine A is 15 by 17 and secant A it is 17 by 18. Now let's do the next question. In fifth question, secant theta, it's given to us and we have to find all other trigonometric ratio, which means you have to find the value of sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cot theta and cosecant theta. See, all these you have to find. So here they have not given anything, only theta they have mentioned. So any angle we can take. So this question again, it is similar to the previous question. Just try to do this question along with me. You can pause the video and this also you can do along with me. You can refer to the answer afterwards. So and same way triangle, we will use triangle ABC. This is right angle triangle, right angle at B. Now secant theta, first of all you should know what is secant theta. So secant theta, it is 13 by 12 and we know it is a reciprocal of cos theta. So reciprocal of cos theta means cos theta, it is base by hypotenuse. Reciprocal, we just have to interchange numerator and denominator. So secant theta, it is hypotenuse by base. Now let's assume this is our theta. Okay. So with respect to this, we will find the values of all the other trigonometric ratios also and the third side of the triangle also. Now with respect to theta, we'll see which is the hypotenuse. See, hypotenuse, it will remain same. So AC is the hypotenuse and base. So base means adjacent side. So adjacent side, it is BC. Now 13 by 12, it's already given to us. Again ratio is given to us, so we have to assume that AC, it is equal to 13x and BC, it is equal to 12x. Now we have got the values of two sides. This side we can find by using Pythagoras theorem. So hypotenuse square, it is equal to base square plus perpendicular square. Hypotenuse is given to us, it is 13x whole square, base 12x whole square plus perpendicular x. Or square, whole square we have to do. Now we have to find the value of perpendicular. Let's shift 12 to this side. 12, it is in positive form, so when we change its side, it will be changed to minus. So 13x square minus 12x square is equal to p. So you can do in next step. Here I have done in this step only. And this square if I remove, so on this side I will get square root. 13x square, so it will be 169. 13 into 13 is 169 x square, you can write. 12 into 12 is 144 x square, we can write. So perpendicular 169 minus 144 is 25. So 25, square root of 25x square, it is 5x, because 5 into 5 is 25. So this way, so here AB we got 5x. Now we have values of all the sides. So in the first video, in the video of introduction to trigonometry, I have given you the values of all the trigonometric ratio. You can just refer to that video and try to find the values of all the trigonometric ratios. I have already helped you to find the value of this side of the triangle. I just want you guys to do this sum yourself and post your answers in the comment section. So with this, I'll be finishing this video and the remaining questions I will continue in the next video. Thank you so much for watching the video. See you in my next one.